Okay, let's break down what's happening in the Middle East right now, because the stakes just got a lot higher. Iran has fired a warning shot, not just at Israel but at the US, UK, and France. Tehran is basically saying, if you help Israel stop our missile and drone attacks, your bases and ships in the region are fair game. And here's why this matters. Last week, Israel hit Iranian nuclear and military sites out of fear that Iran was getting too close to building a nuclear bomb. Iran's response? Launching wave after wave of missiles and drones at Israeli cities. Most have been shot down, but some got through, leaving dozens dead or injured. The US is already involved, intercepting Iranian missiles aimed at Israel. President Trump has made it clear, if Iran strikes US targets, the response will be, quote, at levels never seen before. But what about the UK and France? They're on high alert, moving military assets closer, but haven't joined the shootdown effort yet. Both countries are keeping their options open. France says it could help defend Israel, and the UK is preparing for contingency support. Here's the kicker. Iran claims it has solid proof that US forces helped Israel launch those initial attacks. The US denies it, but the tension is sky high. So if the West gets pulled in, we're talking about a much bigger war, across borders, across continents. The world is watching every move. That's the latest. Let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates.